You are watching T to the M to the I D D.
Top of the morning, we finally made it to the market. Okay, now I'm gonna have to be real discreet. I don't know how much footage this is gonna be because obviously it's difficult to record here. So, but I don't really know what's the mission. We might do some shopping. Might get some things.
I'm gonna get a book bag.
What you trying to get?
I'm gonna get a book bag.
I'm gonna get a book bag. I'm gonna get something. I'm gonna get something nifty. We'll see.
I can open it for you.
There's a mini one. How much is this one?
Which one is your favorite? Jasmine?
Jasmine. I love jasmine.
You know this one is useful for what?
Everything.
This one is...
I fell in love with somebody who doesn't even know my name, no, no. And I know this, I'm ashamed.
Cheese. Banging.
I can't do it.
You can't do it?
No.
Why?
It's awkward.
Why is it awkward?
This is like, you are watching, what's it, T to the M to the I to the GD?
T to the M to the I D D.
Okay. Do I have to say you are watching?
Oh yeah, because it's gonna go on my YouTube.
Okay.
I'm trying to use it as the intro audio.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Can I do it back at the villa then?
Okay.
Yeah. Because otherwise I'm just...
Hold on, Dad. Okay. Alright, you ready?
It doesn't matter where I am. Did you work out today? Did you work out today?
Empty the pockets. It's about to get. It's about to go down.
He challenged you.
Oh, he emptied in his
Oh
pocket.
yeah.
He emptied in his pocket.
No lights here. Oh, okay. The birds can't witness this showdown.
Yeah, keep it in the dark. That's how.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh,
you see?
got the spin.
You see how he served you up,
Yeah,
mate?
I got him.
He served you up, mate.
Oh, he got a spin. He got a nasty little spin on it. Alright, I got you. Come on.
That's two already.
The spin on it. Because you tried to get me the spin. Yeah, I'm not going to let you to the back. Put the back spin on there.
Welcome to the vlog.
I'm so good at photography, you know, what even
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm really good.
Oh, you found red lipstick too? Oh! Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. You gotta do the intro right here. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, the intro, girl.
Let's see. All right, we right here. 1, 2, 3. What is going on, everyone? T to the M to the IDD. Yeah, go back on there. I'm just gonna redo this.
Okay.
Yeah. This is just a test shot. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I love that. All right. I just want to put a little bit of red light behind you. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
I was looking at your stories, like seeing how you're getting on.
Oh, kill him! Dang, give me that. Give me that. Look at this. Yeah, this is how.
We're matching.
Damn.
That's how we
Look at the reactions.
Wow.
Mo, where's yours?
Did you see that?
Mo, where's yours? I ain't buying one.
You the lousy brother?
Yeah.
The lousy brother?
Watch out. He didn't tell me. Until he got
He
here.
didn't tell you, he didn't hear. You choose not to hear.
He didn't tell me.
Here you go, man.
Appreciate it.
Baby, one more time. Yeah. One more time. Oh man, we was going.
Compliment each other.
Oh, my mama.
Thank you.
Allez. Até. Até.
Oh, these are my favorite ones.
Shukran. Shukran.
What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD, and if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.